Hey guys, my name is That Quiet Kid, and today we are going to do day 2 of Advent of Cyber Elf HR problem. Story is McSkiddy needs to check if any other employee elves have left been affected by Grinch Industries attack, but the system that hold the employee information have been hacked. Can you hack them back to determine if the other teams in the best festival company have been affected? So learning objective for this day 2 is understanding the underlying technology of web servers and how the web communicates. Understand what cookies are and their purpose. Learn how to manipulate and manage cookies for malicious use. HTTPS for your computer and a web server to communicate with each other. An intermediary protocol is required. This is where the HTTP hypertext transfer protocol is introduced. The hypertext transfer protocol is a client server protocol to provide communication between a client and a server. HTTP requests are similar to a standard TCP network request. However, HTTP adds specific headers to the request to identify the protocol and other information. The example request is here, which is a GET request, and it is showing it is using HTTP and specifying the protocol 1.1 host. The request is coming from Tryhackme. User agent is our browser Mozilla Firefox and 87.0 version. Refer is also Tryhackme. So once the server receives a request, it will send back a response. And the example response is as follows. HTTP 1.1 version 200 means it's working successful. Okay, server is Nginx 1.15.8. This is the response from the server, so that we know the server is running an Nginx 1.15.8. Date is the exact time. Content type text and HTML. Content length is 9.8. The protocol itself is only one piece of the puzzle. The once content is retrieved from the website, your browser needs a way to interpret and render the information sent. Web applications are commonly formatted in hypertext markup language HTML, rendered and styled in CSS cascading style sheets. JavaScript is also commonly used to provide additional functionality. So let's move on to cookies. HTTP is a stateless protocol. When you send request to a web server, the server cannot distinguish your request from someone else's request. To solve this stateless protocol and identify different users and access levels, the web server will assign cookies to create and manage a stateful session between client and server. So let's move on. It has certain components, which is name, unique name identifier, session id, value. Session id is the example of name of a cookie, and it is accompanied always by value. They are always in pair, which is some weird text. It can be base 64, hexadecimal, and other encoding formats as well. Domain, from which the request is coming from. Path, expiry date, size. HTTP only cookie is only sent over HTTPS, which is hypertext transfer protocol over secure SSL certificate. HTTP only cookies cannot be accessed through client server scripts. Same site specifies when a cookie is sent through cross-site requests, and same party is extends functionality of same site attribute to first party sets. So priority defines the importance of a cookie, determines whether it should be removed or held on to. So name, the value, set cookie, cookie manipulation. Okay, so let's start. Open the static site in a new tab. Let's open it. So let's go to the website, sign up to create an account. Let's it be that quiet kid, and the password be that quiet kid, and let the email be kid@kid.com. So let's create an account. Yes, but we don't have the permission to register an account currently. Please contact an administrator for more assistance. So let's see the developer tools by clicking on inspect element if you are using Firefox. Let's go to storage and you will see the year value of your cookie. So let's go here and see. So okay, it has 7B6F. So I think it can be hex because we are seeing numbers and alphabets up to F, not after F. So I think it should be hex. So let's Google here from hex and decode this. Yes, it is in hex. So we can answer some of the questions here. What is the name of the new cookie that was created for your account? It was user auth. You can see it right here. It's user auth. Next thing, what encoding type was used for the cookie value? It was hexadecimal. What object is the data of the cookie stored in? So this is JSON format. First you have a company name, then a colon, and after that you have something, the best festival company. I can show you. It is a JSON format. Simply search JSON format. Okay, so I think it should be clear now. This is JSON format. Okay, as you can see, this is in JSON format, brackets, and under this, you know so this is the JSON format. Let's move on. Manipulate the cookie and bypass the login portal. What is the value of administrator cookie? Username equals to admin. So let's copy it. We don't need this anymore. We have to convert it to hex. delete Delete it from here and change it to from that. Okay, I haven't deleted much. To admin. Set the delimiter to none because the space was not in the original cookie, so we don't have to put it. So we have to put it like that, the way it was. We have done this, so let's, I guess it should work by refreshing it. Okay, it didn't work, so I guess let's go back. Okay, yes, now we have logged in. Okay, so let's see how can we answer the questions. First, the administrator cookie. Yes. What team environment is not responding? So let's see the hint for this, indicated by the red status symbol. So it is HR. What team environment has a network warning? Okay, I don't know about these warnings, but so let's see the hint. It says indicated by a yellow status symbol. So the yellow was application. So if you want to learn more about authentication bypass, we suggest trying out this room. So we will try it out later. Tasks released each day progressively harder, get progressively harder, but are still guided with walkthrough videos. Come back tomorrow for day 3 task where Naham Sek will be recording a video walkthrough. So that's it for this video and thank you for watching.